Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Super excited for today's video. It's my second net worth update. These are one of my favorite videos to make because I get to see how much progress I've made month over month, and I get to share it with all of you. I offer complete transparency when I do these videos because I want all of you to be on this journey with me. I don't hide anything. So make sure you hit that subscribe button to join me on this journey to financial independence. My net worth for the month of August 2021 is... On this channel, I talk about all things finance, wealth building, and how you can achieve the life of your dreams through financial independence. Let me start off with how net worth is calculated. You add up all your assets, like your cash, stocks, and home equity, then subtract all your liabilities, like your student loans, mortgage, and car loans. The resulting number is your net worth, and it is possible to have a negative net worth. Let's start things off with my assets. I have them separated by different categories. At the top, I have all my cash accounts. In this first row, I have my emergency fund. I try to keep a $1,000 cash emergency fund at any given time, but this month I had to dip into it for some car repairs. I have not had the chance to replenish it, but once I get paid later this month, I will be sure to top it off. These next few are my various cash accounts. First is my main checking account with Chase Bank. This is my main checking account where my paychecks get deposited to, and then I send money to various accounts from here. At the end of August 2021, I have $3,600 in the account. Next is my BECU savings account. Cash in this account is used to pay off my credit card bill every month. I recently paid a bill, so there's only $140 staying in the account. The third account is my Capital One 360 money market account. This is a high interest savings account that is used for my mortgage automatic payments. I try to keep at least $7,000 in this account at any given time so it acts as a small emergency fund, making sure my mortgage can be covered for 3 months minimum. As I'm in the process of selling my house, this account will soon be retired. Lastly is my Yada Bank high interest savings account that operates a lottery system. For every $50 you have in an account, you get 1 ticket per week. And you get cash rewards every week depending on how many matching numbers you have. You can win up to $10 million or even a Tesla. If you want to check out this bank, I'll leave a referral link in the description below that will give you 100 free tickets just for signing up. As you can see, this account has dipped by $2,000 this last month. As I am selling my house, I do not need as large of an emergency fund anymore, so I redirected some of the funds into my Robinhood account for options trading. If you want to find out more about that, I will leave a link in the description below to my options trading series. Moving on, we have my investment accounts. The first one is my Chase brokerage account. I invested $13,000 into this account when I was a teenager with money I made from high school jobs. The $13,000 has grown to over $42,000 today. I will not touch this account and let it grow on its own for the foreseeable future. Below that is my Fire Fund account. I made a few sizable deposits into this account this month because I needed the capital to trade options in this account. If you want to check out the exact stocks I invest in and the income this account generates, you can check out my Fire Fund Friday videos or my monthly passive income reports through the link in the description below. This account went from $60,000 to $70,000 this month, mostly from my cash deposits, but it will continue to grow extremely fast because once I sell my house, this account will be my main focus, both through income investing and options trading. I plan to have this account break 6 figures by December of this year. The next account is my Fidelity ESPP account. An ESPP account, or Employee Stock Purchase Plan account, is an account where I store cash from every paycheck, and once every quarter, I get to purchase company stock at a 10% discount. I currently max out my company's ESPP plan, and in the last month, I've deposited $2,000 into this account, bringing the total up to $3,000. The next stock purchase date is at the end of September, and I'm excited to buy a large chunk of company stock. Below the ESPP account is my Fidelity brokerage account. This account stores all of my company stock that I buy or get vested. Vesting is when my company stock rewards from bonuses get deposited into my account. When you work for a big company, you don't get stock bonuses immediately. They are usually paid out over a few years. My brokerage account currently contains $81,000 worth of my company's stock. I don't have any plans to sell these shares as it's one of my long-term growth holdings. Here we have my BlockFi account where I store some of my crypto. I currently own very little, but it has bounced back in the last month. I don't know if I plan on buying any more, but if you're a crypto believer or a crypto hater, let me know in the description why I should or shouldn't buy. My investments this month grew from $182,428 up to $200,952, a sizable $18,000 increase. The last investment account I have here is my 401k. Nothing interesting here, just boring S&P 500 growth index funds. It currently sits at $113,000, a nice $5,000 increase over last month. The last row here in my assets is my home value. This number doesn't really matter because I am selling my home this month, but the value is around $506,000, and the Zillow estimate is much higher. But I don't use the Zillow estimate in my calculation as I don't think it's accurate. My total liquid assets is $331,000, and when I include the home value, it is at $837,000. That's it for the assets. Let's walk through my liabilities. You can see a big jump in my credit card debt, but that's because of two main things. One, I paid for my winter quarter of school, and two, I went on a vacation for the first time in 2 years. So I splurged just a little bit. But the balance will be paid off completely within the next few weeks, so I'll be fine. My other card is my Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. I do not use this card at all. I opened it to make a big car repair payment and took advantage of the $200 bonus for opening the card. I saw it as a chance to get 10% off my repair bill. I'm slowly paying off the card since it offers no interest for the first 12 months, but I will have it paid off completely within the next few months. The last of my debts is my mortgage, but I am selling my house this month, so the balance will be zero by this time next month. My total debts for the month of August 2021 ended up just a little bit higher than last month. It went from $311,000 to $313,000. Alright, that was all my assets and liabilities. So let's take a look at my net worth for the month of August 2021. My goal for my net worth is an increase of 2% month over month plus $4,000. So if a 2% increase is $8,000, then my goal is $8,000 plus $4,000 for a total of $12,000 increase per month. For the month of August 2021, my total assets were $837,214.70, and my total debts were $313,806.81, bringing our net worth to $523,407.89, a change of $21,286.79, or roughly 4% increase month over month. This is a smaller than usual increase than we have seen in the last few months, but that's just because the markets were a bit flat for the month of August. Regardless, we still beat our goal for the month by a large margin, which means I am running towards FIRE at a faster rate than planned, and I'm fine with that. We're another step closer to our $1 million FIRE number. This wraps up our August 2021 net worth update. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave me a comment below. And if you haven't already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It's free and helps out the channel so much. I want to thank you for joining me here. I really appreciate you so much for taking the time to watch these videos. I'll see you guys on the next one.